Hello everybody, today we are going to work out on this equation to find the value of x. If you'd like, and which will be great, just pause the video and try it on your own. All right, let's go. So we have square root of x plus 3 is equals to 3 minus x. And we know the rule that you square both sides if you want to remove the square root. So here, if we square both sides, we will be left with x plus 3 is equals to 3 minus square root of x all squared, right? Now this one, it means 3 minus square root of x, 3 minus square root of x. Now we are going to go right ahead to expand this. So 3 times 3, we get 9. 3 times minus square root of x, we get minus 3 square root of x minus square root of x times 3. Again, minus 3 square root of x minus square root of x times minus square root of x times and times becomes negative, and negative becomes positive, and x, and is still equal to x plus 3. Now we are going to simplify. X plus 3 is equals to 9 minus 6 square root of x plus x. Now let's put together everything with x on one side and the whole numbers to the other side. So we have x plus x comes to the other side, becomes minus x, minus 6x comes to the other side, plus 6 square root of x is equals to 9. 3 comes to the other side, becomes negative, so 9 minus 3. Let's simplify. X minus x goes, so we are left with 6 square root of x is equals to 9 minus 3 becomes 6. Divide both sides by 6. Square root of x is equals to 1. But we need the value of x. Let's square again both sides. Squared, squared, so x is equals to 1. That's your final answer. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for next one. Thank you. Bye.